It's the 9th of November 2022. Sadly, this is Modernized, but we can take one right here.
Yeah.
We filmed this late 1994 once and early 1996.
Yeah.
Original here.
Mm.
Expect your business park. There's the bill. Norrhagalund. Espoo. Espoo Helsinki Helsingfors region. Uusimaa Finland. It was built in 1990, Modernized in 2022.
Metsänneidonkuja 4.
Yes. Skogs Jungfrustigen or Gränden.
Yeah.
Gränden 4. Yeah.
Yeah.
But nice view here also.
Yeah, of course.
December 66593. And the ones from late 1995 have been modernized also with design.
Yeah.
And the early 97 one was modernized with your lift.
Yeah.
But the 97 we don't have to film.
Yeah.
We filmed the 94, 96 ones, and the scenic one on the design from that 95. Where it was modernized with design.
Mm.
So that's it.
Eli Tukholmassa oli ihan hyvä keino.
Paljon louduta.
That's